It's a new year and we have new Samsung lineups, the S23. Could this be the phone of your dream? Hello and welcome to a day in my life with the Samsung Galaxy S23. Let's go. So when I wake up, one of the things I like to do is first just get my breath in order by using my brush and then getting some water to drink. Water just helps my belly settle in, just gives my digestive flow the boost it needs to start off the day quite effectively, and I don't miss this. Then I take out time to clean out my studio, prepare my mind mentally for the tasks ahead of the day, and just get ready to work. Now, the elections in Nigeria has been crazy, and I decided to keep updated with all that's happening with both parties and all the election scandals going on currently in the country. It's crazy. As you can see, the S23 screen also performs very well in low light. That AMOLED display is nice. I have to also jump on and check my mails and check for my meetings because I work with people in different time zones, so most times I'll have to actively check my calendar to make sure I'm not caught in behind. I like to have my coffee warm and hot, but I don't take it the first thing in the morning. I just like to give some time for my system to naturally relax and just take a little coffee to give me the boost for the day before I jump back on a call with my team. Today I'm having a one-on-one with my line manager as we're in appraisal mode and we're just going through all the KPIs, seeing if we missed out on any important information. My manager is very thoughtful and he actually cares about our personal growth and development. So I take these one-on-ones really seriously as it helps me see how far I'm getting along and also how far I need to improve and if I'm meeting my KPIs, as this is also very important for a promotion which I'm hoping to get later on this year. Now this meeting went on for hours, but I was glad it came to an end and we were done with that chapter. I was getting hungry around this time, so I decided to whip myself up some breakfast like a chef. So I had toast and egg, just pretty simple, nothing too much, nothing too stressful, and decided to jump in for a bath. Now this phone has actually passed the shower test I put on it as I was able to listen to my song straight into the shower. Okay, so the time now is 11:54 and I've pretty much had my whole morning routine, and what I've noticed while using the S23 is it kind of feels smaller than what I'm used to. Because my main driver is the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and as you can see, it's just a little bit bigger than it. But I'm actually appreciating the small size of this. This wouldn't be small now if you're used to a normal size phone, but for me, it just feels nice to really hold. So I still have some things left to do today. I have 2 business meetings, and I also have a delivery to put in today. We are going to be testing a part of the application for the company I work at. We are going to be testing part of the application, so I need to create that Figma prototype and send that to the testing unit to be able to use to test that device.
Is that the new feature?
Yes, now.
I didn't know.
And it's mad, I even prefer it to almost ChatGPT. I swear.
Makes sense.
Alright, so the time it's around 1:38 p.m. I still have almost 87 left of battery life and I'm heading out I'm actually meeting a client at a coffee house. This brand wants me to kind of help work out their Instagram presence and kind of have a review of their product. So I'm looking forward to sorry. I'm going down. Are you going down?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. So I'll be looking forward to helping do a review of the product. I think it's like a smartphone device kind of product, but I'm not sure. But guess we'll just find out. All right, let's go. So I think I'll just switch to the S23 so we can test how the audio actually sounds. So this audio you're listening to is coming straight from the S23. I really love how this video is looking. It's actually the front-facing camera, and it looks really dope. Hopefully I can take some pictures for you during my meeting, show you how the camera looks like. But this is how the front is, and the back looks. That's a big pile of ice. Yeah. Oh, you can actually just flip from front to back almost instantly. So recording with the front and you're recording with the back. This is dope. All right, you want to say hi? So I'm heading back. The meeting went well. I should be expecting an email later on today. So now I have to wrap up with work. That's like my 9 to 5. And I also have to shoot 2 TikTok videos. So if you're not following me on TikTok, follow me at the Lex Effect. It's the same across all my socials. I have to film 2 TikTok videos, and then I have to film another video with the S23 and then edit all of them and still make it in time to go to the gym later on in the evening. Today is going to be one hell of a day, but yeah, let's go. We are talking a lot about like the house, and first he was like, he's traveling and the cost and everything, and they might be buying us because we might not really know what's happening. So
that's another thing, no, bro.
Yeah. So it was just like a lot of stuff, sha. We're just factoring a lot of things and all. But the good part is that I just like the fact that at least we are making effort. You get like just to make efforts and everything. But when I'm trying to call the guy to find out like how much will it even take us to be maintaining it monthly. Okay.
People just order if you order from the website, the whole payment process, everything, you just do it there, and then it takes the stress of having to send account number, confirm this one.
Yeah.
All those, because I honestly want to focus on trying to build the brand and not to worry about the social media side for now. So
I'm done for the day, and the time is 6:33 p.m. and I'll be heading to the gym to get my daily workout in. Now my battery life is around 65%, so which is pretty decent. But then again, I don't think I did a lot of heavy lifting with the phone, but I'll be taking it to the gym and I'm going to use it like all throughout the gym. I'll video some of my workout routines. Today we're working on legs. God damn. But yeah, I'll video some of my workout routines from the S23. Listen to my music ultra with it. So that's like about 1 hour 30 minutes or 2 hours of workouts. And let's see how much that will fare. Let's go. It's about to be a good leg day. This man. Why you coming late?
I'm almost there, Jerry. I walk. Looks slick, quite thin. What else? Cut.
So today at the gym, we're working on legs, just focusing on maintaining that strong core and strength generally. I don't like lifting really heavy as I'm trying as much not to get re-injured anymore. So just putting in the work at the gym, getting stuff done. So currently recording in full HD 30. I like the and I can just flip instantly to the front, right? So this is a night shot of the video, a night mode. Like the audio you're hearing is also coming directly from the phone. Looks really nice. I don't think anything special, but yes, it's still visible. Though there are lots of like street lights, and I think the moon is out. So I'll try the astrophotography now. So luckily for us, we have a moon. And we are going to be trying the astro mode to see if we can actually capture it, right? So point it at the moon and let me steady my hands. Let's zoom into it. Okay. Wow. These are how some of the photos look like. Wow, it was a really hectic session and I'm glad to be done for the day, finally heading back to relax and reset for the next day. Man, like it was a really long day, from meetings to business calls to going to the gym to having breakfast, making just a lot of things. And so currently the S23 is at roughly 50%, right? And these are just my takes from it. It really stood up. But then again, I didn't do so much heavy lifting with it. I didn't play like games. I didn't shoot a lot of videos with it. So I just used it for like a normal usage person, not like a really, really heavy usage person. And I still have like almost 50% plus battery left for the day. So definitely that's a plus. That's a big one if you're looking for something that is still portable or you're looking like for that second phone. Definitely get the S23. It will do that for you. I've had a long day. Thank you for staying true to me. Thank you for staying true all through the whole vlog from start to finish. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And then again, if you'd like to see more videos of the Astro Moon effect, I need to check out what that name is actually called. But if you'd like to see more videos, you can connect with me on social media at the Lex Effect on my Instagram, TikTok, and where else? Everywhere basically. Till I see you guys next time. Have an amazing day. I'm calling it the night, and the time is 9:40. I'm going to take a cold shower, and that's it. Good night.